All right, so this is how you make a new Momento event so that your guests can share their pictures on your screen during your parties. So first off, I click on the top right, go to my name and my profile, and I make sure that my virtual contact card is filled out the way that I want it to, with my name, company name, the phone number, email, and a link. Because once the party's over, the guests are going to get this contact card along with the link to the album. After that, you just go to create event, new Memento only event. I already started filling this out here. So I have Kaylee and Matt's wedding coming up on this Friday. It's a wedding, about 175 people. The phone number is always going to be the same, which is great. You never have to change that. Auto reply signature is going to be when the guests send a picture to you. I basically just say, thanks for the photo, keep them coming. Then at the end of the event, you're going to close the event and they're going to get a thank you message. Thanks for celebrating with Kaylee and Matt. Hope to see you on a dance floor real soon. Jason Cohen from SCE. After that, they're going to get that virtual contact card and then a link to the album. When you're done with all this, you just hit create event. Now, once that event is created, you're pretty much good to go. This link right here in the center of the page, that's going to be how you monitor the photos. So you're going to open up, let's say, just it could be your cell phone, a separate computer or iPad. It shouldn't be the one that you're actually broadcasting from. And that's where you're going to be able to either accept or deny any of the photos that the guests send you. Once you hit accept, it automatically gets thrown into that slideshow.